We're doing the alternate leg fast rocking horse. Alternate leg fast rocking horse. Whoa! So, recently we covered the fast rocking horse. Short leader, same leg in front as a leg behind, right? So, how do we alternate it? There's a movement pattern here that I really like doing. So, if I go up with my right leg, back with my left leg, then the left leg comes forward, back with my right. Up, back, up, back. My favourite part of this movement pattern is when I bring the back leg to the front. It just feels amazing. Love it, love it, love it. That's fast, right? So the knees need to be bent in front and behind, and the fingers stay really open, and you push and pull the water. Alright, here we go, this is what it looks like. It's not so much a lower body exercise as it's an upper body exercise. And in fact, the speed is driven by how strong my arms are, how much they're pushing and pulling to the water. You'll also notice that I have my fingers wide open and I've got a lot of surface area. The more surface area I have, the more force I can create, therefore the quicker I can move. So when I design a class and I have something that's got some quick movements in it, I work to the tempo of the music that I've chosen. Now if it's not too fast, like if it doesn't feel like I'm doing this, and I have to use my head to create movement, but it's a little bit quicker than, say, the bigger, slower rocking horse, then it's ideal, right? I just want to make sure I'm challenging my regular clients who've been coming to my classes for years. And this pull, I've been here a long time, really long time, very, very long time. 1991, a long time ago. So, and I have some clients who've been coming to the classes since then, so they're fit. Yep. So, they enjoy doing things that require a bit more power and force. Just get the tempo right for this. Remember, the focus is all about the arms after you've taught what the leg's going to do, and that's this week's Aqua tip. The alternating fast rocking horse. Not that difficult to demonstrate as far as impact, but for some people it might require a little bit of practice with coordination. So let's do it. So one leg up in front, so it's my left leg. So it's my left, right, right, left. Left, right, right, left. Up, back, up, back. So basically what you've got to do is take the back leg forward. So if I've got one leg up, that back leg's going to swing to the front. Swing to the front. And this is why it's really important to get the arms in the right position, because it's actually important for balance on land. If you've got your arms doing this, it doesn't feel right. And it doesn't look right either. So, pull back, push forward, take the back leg forward, bring the back leg to the front, bring the back leg to the front. Make sure your knees are bent, fingers spread apart, open palm, as you push and pull your body through the water. And this is where I start using things like your arms need to do 80% of the work. So you would use this with any movement pattern where the arms drive the lower body. When we're in the water, the legs didn't do all the work, it was the arms that did all the work that got the body moving forwards and backwards and got the heart rate up. So it's sometimes good to talk about percentages so that people understand that there needs to be more effort applied with a certain body part than another. And I love talking about where they need to feel it. So I often say you need to feel this in your arms, it's an upper body exercise. And if you feel it in your legs, and that's where you're feeling it the most, you need to have a look at your technique. And no one's going to feel it in their legs, really, especially if they're going fast. So, yes, and isn't that interesting? So sometimes fast movements will incorporate more leg activation and slower movements, sometimes the opposite. So you can't really say one or the other is a standard rule. Depends on the move that you're doing, right? And that's this week's Aqua tip.